everyone! Welcome to our new video. Today, I'll show you how to delete Gmail messages. First, open the Gmail app or visit gmail.com on your browser and log into your account. Next, find the email you want to delete. You can do this by scrolling through your inbox or using the search bar at the top. Once you've located the email, tap the checkbox next to the email or open the email and tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then, select Delete or Move to Trash. The email will be sent to your trash folder. If you want to delete multiple emails, simply check the boxes next to each one, and then tap the Delete option. To permanently delete the email, go to the trash folder and tap Empty Trash Now or select individual emails and tap Delete Forever. That's it.